everybody, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. I just want to share with you my pinakbet, my own version. Of course, sitaw, long beans, ampalaya, bettermelon, and zucchini, kalabasa, squash, and of course, onions, tomato, garlic, and ginger. Nasa sa inyo yun kung gusto nyo lagyan ng ginger. Plus, sweet potato, kamote. That's why it's my own version. And of course, the bagoong, the salted fish, and sesame oil. Onions. May oil na ako dyan. Olive oil at saka yung sesame oil. And then, the garlic and ginger. Tomato. So, as I said, this is my version. Kaya, ito siya. Lagyan ko na ng bagoong, the salted fish. So, and then, the fish sauce, yung patis. And then, I just add the sweet potato, the kamote. As I said, this is my version. Smells so good, the salted fish. So, nasa sa inyo yon kung gaano kadami yung salted fish nyo or ayaw yung lagyan ng kamote. As I said, my version. And then, squash, kalabasa. Tapos, sitaw. Kasi pag nilagay ko na siya, ayaw ko siyang ihalo. Itong ampalaya. So I'm just using two hands to mix it. And then, ayaw ko siyang lagyan ng tubig dahil matubig na yan mamaya. I think I need to add more sesame oil. Nasa sa inyo yon if you like a sesame oil. I just mix it. Ito na yung ampalaya. Ilagay ko lang siya sa ibabaw. Okay, tapos ilagay ko na rin yung, I just add the zucchini. That's why I told you my own version. Kasi may zucchini at saka sweet potato. So you just put it in the low fire, medium, yeah. And then we just cook for 3 minutes. See you in a bit. So, i-check na natin. Luto na siya, guys. Smells so good. So, we just mix it. Look at that. Oh, it's so yummy. Let's see. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.